Welcome to Cheapy.com, where you can find the ultimate online gaming experience. Our goal is to provide you with the highest quality gaming experience and the best exclusive bonus deals. Today, we'll be showing you what our exclusive bonus is, where you can find them on our website, and how to redeem them. Exclusive bonuses are unique casino bonus deals that offer more benefits than standard bonuses. These bonuses are a privilege available only to Cheapy.com players and cannot be found anywhere else. We put in a lot of effort to secure these exclusive bonuses for you, so you can trust that you're getting the best deals. Exclusive bonuses stand out from regular bonuses because they offer additional advantages. They are specially designed to give you the best deals with larger deposit match percentages, more free spins, and more. You can only find and redeem these top-tier bonuses here at Cheapy.com. Regular bonuses, on the other hand, can be found on casinos' websites. First up, let's take a look at Cheapy.com's homepage. On the homepage, you'll find exclusive bonus promotions just waiting to be claimed. Check back often to see the latest and greatest bonus offers. Next, let's take a look at the bonus blog page. This page is divided into several sections and is packed with thousands of exciting exclusive bonus deals. Browse through each section to find the bonus that suits you best. The Casino Reviews page is another great source for exclusive bonus deals. All you need to do is pick a casino and start gambling with the added bonus of an exclusive deal. Last but not least, we have the Exclusive Bonuses page. This is the ultimate source of exclusive bonus deals and is carefully crafted for your convenience. Here, you'll find the best exclusive bonuses that Cheapy.com has to offer. Exclusive bonuses are easy to spot on Cheapy.com. They are labeled with the Cheapy logo, the host of our website, and can be identified by a distinctive label. In addition, you can use a special filter button to narrow down the abundance of bonuses and make finding the perfect bonus even easier. Finally, let's talk about how to redeem exclusive bonuses. There are two types of exclusive bonuses: those that require a validation code and those that don't. To claim a bonus that requires a promotional code, simply enter the code into the appropriate field and claim your bonus. That's all there is to it. With Cheapy.com, finding and redeeming exclusive bonus deals has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the best exclusive bonus deals today and claim your magnificent prizes. Don't forget to check the terms and conditions section before claiming a bonus, and be sure to look out for the wagering requirements and maximum cash out amount. Happy gambling!